Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use file type in Google search. Why would you want to know how to use file type in Google search? Well, maybe you want all your results in PDF type. So today I'm going to show you how to use file type in Google search. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, let's type study file type PDF. All the results will be in PDF. You can click and download. Okay, another example. doc. All the results will be doc type. You can click and download. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to use file type in Google search, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.